everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. It's Vlogmas Day 2. Can you believe that already? Vlogmas Day 2. I have been enjoying other people's YouTube videos today of their first day of Vlogmas, and it's really exciting time because we all of us that do participate, I should say, in Vlogmas, we kind of give an insight of our traditions, things that we do for the holidays, and it's an exciting time, right? It's very exciting. So, yeah, I've been having fun watching everybody else's Vlogmas videos. I have been up for a while. It is after 12 o'clock, almost 1. I'm fixing to fix some lunch for me and Ron. I've got some towels I just loaded into the washing machine. I have some gifts and some, what do I want to call them? I have some gifts and I have some Christmas cards that I need to fill out because this weekend I am attending a Christmas banquet and I'm going to take all the employees a little Christmas something. So that is in the works. So today I'm going to do the Christmas cards, but tomorrow I'm actually going to bake a bunch of what seems to be my signature cookie this year is the cowboy cookies. I'm going to share the recipe with you guys for that in Vlogmas. It'll be out on Saturday for you guys to check out. Let me tell you, those cookies are fantastic, but they have a lot of ingredients in them. I won't lie, but they are absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a cookie to really wow your friends and family, that's the one to take. So look forward to that video. You're going to really enjoy that. I've got some cleaning to do today. I also want to work on my staircase. I decided at first when I initially decorated for Christmas, I wasn't going to put anything on my staircase. Then I saw this TikTok video. It always starts with a TikTok video of this lady who made the same snowflakes as I did. Can you see those above my head? I don't know if you can even see them. Anyways, I am going to make some more snowflakes and we're going to add them to my staircase. I'm going to try to make some of them a little bit smaller and kind of drape it diagonally some way down the staircase with some garland and some lights. And I do have some of my buffalo plaid ribbon left, and I might try to put some of that in there. I do have Christmas balls upstairs that I might use. I have not decided yet exactly how I want to lay this out, but I thought I would take you along on my adventure today and see what I come up with. But the first thing is I've got to eat some lunch. My husband's hungry and so am I. Yesterday we had fajitas, chicken fajitas, and I had a lot of chicken left. I think I'm going to make some spicy rice and beans, add the chicken with some cheese, and he's going to have tortilla chips. He's already put in his order. I'm going to put mine inside of a tortilla, like, you know, a flour wrap, and that's what I'm going to have for lunch today. And it's going to be really good. It's going to be filling. And yeah, so I need to get started on that. But I do cheat and I use like a jambalaya like mix for the, what do I want to say, for the rice. It comes from Aldi. It's really easy to use and it's hot and spicy and Ronnie loves it. As long as something has spice, he'll eat it. And so will I. So that's exactly what we're going to do for lunch today. And then we're going to get started on what needs to be accomplished. I am finishing up the dishes and I had 2 very stuck-on pans and a really good friend of mine, a shout out to Kelly. Thank you so much for this advice because ever since you told me, I've been doing it and it works. If you have a pot or a skillet with a lot of stuck-on goop in there and you cannot get them clean, stick a dryer sheet in there in hot water and let it soak for a few minutes. And I promise you, it will come squeaky clean. Look at the pans, completely spotless. It's amazing, a dryer sheet. Who knew? Okay, guys, I guess I'm going to call it a day in life with you guys. I didn't get to my Christmas cards, and I didn't get to my staircase, but I did get caught up on my laundry, and if you hear a clicking noise, that is actually the dryer running.
That's me drying the clothes.
That's not you. Anyways, the dryer is still running, and I will unload that in the morning. I'm going to shut my tree off tonight. And I'm going to head to bed, but I thought quickly I would show you what my Christmas cards this year do look like. And I bet you guys can guess what they look like, because if you guys know me, you know that I'm a little obsessed with this stuff. So here is my Christmas card. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see that okay. And there's not too much of a glare. But as you can see, it's buffalo plaid, and yes, I love it. I seen those and I was like, yep, that's my Christmas card this year. Probably tomorrow I will get to those, because the party that we have to attend is on Saturday, and I need to get those things done. So you guys will be seeing me do that, but it'll be in another vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video today. Hope you guys are doing fantastic and enjoying the holiday. It is bitter cold here tonight. Bitter cold. So I'm going to bed early, and I'm going to get all snuggly, and I'm going to watch some Netflix. Anyways, that is about it on my night, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Good night, guys.